Okay, so inspired by the television treasure hunting shows, I've decided to dig for buried treasure too. Rachel will be out here to help me, I'm sure. Of course, I don't want to go on a boat and find a shipwreck, and I don't want to go into the mountains and pan for gold. So I'm just going to dig for buried treasure right here, conveniently in my own backyard. If it's really buried treasure, it should have the very highly treasured quality of being conveniently located. Of course, let's try to speculate about who might be burying treasure here. Now, normally buried treasure, the natural culprit is going to be your pirate. Pirates like to bury their treasure. Often, there's a corresponding treasure map. But I'm not really talking about that kind of buried treasure. I'm more talking like back in 1301, Choctaw of some Indian tribe was walking around here, and he had a stick with some gold on it, and he dropped it in the ground. Now I'm going to dig it up, and everyone's going to be like, wow, look at that gold stick. So, but if it turns out that back several hundred years ago, France was both involved in the general colonialization process, while concurrently being plundered for its resources. One could imagine a land-based pirate, privateer of the open roads, you might say, choosing to pick this very spot to bury some very merry treasure for Harry, which is to say, Eric, which is me. That's what I'm imagining it's likely have happened. Okay, so what I call pay dirt right here. Probably mostly gold coins, maybe some diamonds and rubies, maybe even a lock of a maiden's hair, or the frock on a maiden without nair, namely a hairy frock. Regardless, one thing I'm 99.99999% sure of is that there is buried treasure here. So, if you haven't found it yet, it's probably because I need to dig more. The key to finding buried treasure, typically, historically anyway, if you look up in the Find Buried Treasure handbooks, is unearthing it, which means using a shovel to dig the earth, of course. Okay. How many gold doubloons am I going to find today? Is it 1 to 5, 6 to 10, or more? 0 is not an option. Okay. It should be turning up any minute now. Why I say it's booty. Okay. Well, so far it's mostly just dirt and rocks. Okay. Got some more dirt. Got some rocks. These appear to be some kind of roots. Okay. These are camouflage for the buried treasure, I'm sure. What's this? More dirt. Okay. Right here, then, probably. Right here underneath this part is surely the buried treasure. Here's a rock. Here's some more dirt. Okay. More dirt. More dirt. So far, mostly just dirt and rocks. Some more roots. And, ooh, dirt. Okay. That may have been a cat poop. That's not really treasure, though. Well, I am shocked and dismayed, and I'm regretful to report that despite having done quite a bit of digging, it would appear I've uncovered no buried treasure. So, I did learn a lesson, though. Oh, that kind of hurts your back, digging for buried treasure. It seems so much fun on TV. But if I were to go try to do it in the mountains, that'd be putting way too much time into something I could figure out this way. You don't really want to dig for buried treasure. It just sounds fun. It's actually dirty. Plus, you got to bend over and dig, and it hurts your back.